Hey everybody, it's Katie, model here at Ideal World, and I'm back with you today to run through a gorgeous collection of clothing from an exciting brand new to Ideal World called Jo Browns. So I'm going to be talking you through my 3 top picks from Jo Browns' new gorgeous autumnal range. Let's dive straight in. So pick 1 is the gorgeous winter flower dress. I love this dress because it's so flattering on. It's got the gorgeous sleeves, it's got a lovely V-neck, it sits across on the empire line and just skims over the body. Such gorgeous flowers, rich, beautiful tones, and this is going to be a real must for this winter. So pick number 2 is the delightful knitted top. I love this one because it is so soft, it's lovely to wear, so cozy. You've got some gorgeous ruffles that run all the way down the front, contrast stitching too, and it's a beautiful pink colour which is so kind on everybody's skin tone. So my final pick is the Autumn Walk lace-back boot. I love these boots because no wardrobe would be complete without a pair of boots for autumn winter. These are so stylish, so comfortable. You've got this gorgeous point of difference with the lace running all the way up the back. Love the buckle detail too, gives it that really cool military styling. But these can be worn with your opaque tights, with your leggings tucked in, so many ways to wear them. Well, those are my 3 top picks from the gorgeous range from Jo Browns. If you'd like this content, please click subscribe below.